Enterprise architecture is stuck. If you're buried under stale documentation and ivory-tower theory, you're acting like an EA archaeologist, uncovering the past instead of building the future. But there's a better path, the modern way. This course is your roadmap to stop chasing reactive diagrams and start driving tangible direction. We will show you exactly how to become the ambitious architect, focusing on proof of concepts, automation, and vision to get your stakeholders aligned and deliver real, measurable results. Let's get relevant. Stop being a historian and start being a visionary. Facts, automation, vision. Watch the whole course now and transform your EA today.
In the high-stakes world of big business, enterprise architecture sounds like a dry, technical maze of dusty, digital folders. We call that the old way. Endless, stale documentation that just takes up space and puts everyone to sleep. But modern architecture has changed. The best architects understand the power of tangible direction. The shift is simple. Documentation is just pixels on a screen unless it is directly tied to measurable business value. Think of it like a map. A map is just paper, but its value is that it saved you hours of driving. A good architect doesn't just draw diagrams of servers talking to each other. They size up the problem and define a clear, achievable goal to boost productivity, save money, and most importantly, reduce real-world risks. This isn't about generating more useless paperwork. Purposeful documentation is a living blueprint. It provides clarity, acting as a single source of truth that helps teams work together smoothly. It identifies massive risks on paper before they become real-world disasters. To get there, architects need to act less like archaeologists digging up the past and more like ambitious architects. They must build a coalition, focus on the future state, and determine what is feasible to build a tangible plan. By moving beyond simple paperwork to providing tangible direction, architects ensure they are delivering a future that is efficient, profitable, and secure.
We are here to help you stop getting trapped in ivory tower thinking and start making your ideas real. The first vital step is grounding every idea in technical fact, not boardroom chatter. To move from theoretical traps to real-world results, we must look to the hard facts of servers and software. And the best tool to get those facts is experimentation, also known as a proof of concept. Instead of just taking a blind multi-million-dollar technology leap, we run small tests first. It's like putting a model car in a wind tunnel to prove it's aerodynamic before building the real thing. Proven facts, not just hopeful guesses. The benefits of this approach are huge. We build stakeholder trust with a working demo. We learn vital lessons by finding bugs early. We accurately size the full problem for better budgeting, and your architect gains the confidence to be a true real-world guide. This leads us to calculated risk. We don't test everything. Use a scale. Focus your real tests on high-impact changes that deserve it, and let low-impact stuff have a quick review. It takes a specific culture, one that tolerates failure as a necessary learning step to accept the calculated risks needed to move forward. So forget the theoretical traps. Use your guide, embrace the facts, and prove your ideas work. That's how we turn talk into tangible results. Meet your friendly guide to the visual language. They're here to help you move past the old way of stale, dusty documentation piles. To get technology on track, we need clear documentation standards. Chaos follows when we don't speak the same language. Diagrams should be the engine, and docs the vehicle for your strategy. The standards prevent this confusion. First, standard symbology. Every shape and line must have a specific, measurable meaning, from capabilities to systems. Dashed lines indicate temporary data flows. Second, consistent colors. Use common social norms like traffic lights to quickly signal danger, caution, and success to managers. Red is a stop or a high risk. Finally, choose your granularity. Think zoom level. A CEO wants the forest, high categories, while a programmer needs the detailed trees, individual connections. Never try to show both on one diagram. Choose one level and stay there. By following these 3 pillars, you can reduce cognitive load and create precise blueprints. Today, we're choosing our architectural path to success. First up, meet Archie, the archaeologist architect. He spends his days digging, stuck in the past. His entire focus is documenting exactly how current systems work today. The problem is, by the time he finishes that beautiful, massive current state drawing, the engineering team has already changed the system. He has just recorded a history lesson, not a roadmap. His diagrams offer limited value because they look backward, provide no direction, and are already out of date. Now, meet a visionary, Amber, the ambitious architect. She moves forward. She respects the current state, but refuses to get lost in the dirt. Her focus is planning tomorrow. She uses stepping stones to draw the future system state, directing her collaborative team straight to a tangible business goal. Amber's diagrams are clear proposals for profitability and efficiency. The lesson is clear, people. Documentation is a tool, not a trophy. Real value comes from pointing the way forward. Every diagram should be a stepping stone toward a business goal. So don't just record what is, provide direction for what can be. It's summary time, people. Welcome to the end of Effective Enterprise Architecture. Our course journey has been about one crucial transition. We must escape ivory-tower theory and stale paperwork, the old unused boxes, refers to top left, to find real, measurable value. Our new path is tangible direction, faster, cheaper, safer technology proven by technical facts, not boardroom guesses, refers to the top right roadmap and laboratory. We run small pilots and PoCs, refers to wind tunnel and car, to find bugs early and accept calculated risks. To scale this, we must speak the same language, standardize with established visual symbology and color codes, points to Symbology and traffic light. Then automate with doc as code, points to computer screen. Finally, choose your mindset. Are you the archaeologist digging up the past and recording history, points to Archie with shovel, or the ambitious architect Amber, focusing on feasibility and bold future business beneficial goals, points to Amber and rising roadmap? Documentation is a tool, not a trophy. Our final lesson is clear. Effective EA is not just recording is, it's providing the direction for what can be. Now, go make ideas real.